How to embed a video on PowerPoint presentation. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to embed YouTube videos on your PowerPoint presentation. Let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your presentation, go to the page where you want to embed your video, and then from there, you can add your content over here. So let me just quickly adjust this, and then you want to find the home section up top. From there, go to add-ins, the right hand side of your screen. And you need to find this web video embedder. If you don't see it, click on more add-ins and just go ahead and search for web video. Hit enter. You will find this web video player. Click on add, then click on continue. Once you have done that, it's going to paste the web video player here. Now you just need to paste the URL from your YouTube or Vimeo down below. You can start the autoplay. You can select when it starts, or you can just set the video from here. Let me quickly head over to youtube.com, and then from here, all you have to do is select a video. I'll just select this first link that I see, right click on it, and copy link. I'll just copy a link address from here, go back to my presentation, and I'll just paste the link here, and you're good to go. I just tap on set video. It's going to automatically search for the video and it will start playing right here. So that's basically it, guys. Now you can just play the video on your embedded page. Now you can easily present this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.